Next topic is role of on financial market. What are their role they will make on financial market? We will see one by one the heading. First one is savings mobilization. Obtaining fund from the savers or surplus unit such as a household individual, business firm, public sector unit, government an important role played by financial market. Savings mobilization இதில் mostly of the involved the person, financial firm, public sector, government, that are the most important people in this mobilization. Second one, investment. Financial market plays a key role in arranging the investment of fund thus collected those units which are need of the same. Investment, that means financial market they are arranging the fund of various sources, that is the investment. National growth. Financial market contribute to a national growth by ensuring an unfettered flow of surplus fund to deficit unit. National growth, it is the one of the economic growth. I think you will study in economics. So financial market mostly help to the government. They are increasing the economic level. Next one, entrepreneurship growth. Financial market contribute to the development of the entrepreneurial class by making available the necessary financial resources. That means financial market mostly contribute to entrepreneurship growth, that each person will be developed by himself. Next one, industrial development. The different component of financial market help us accelerate the growth of industrial and economic development of a country. Most of the industries, they are interested to help on accelerated to growth industrial and economic development of country. These are the main role of financial market. Next topic is functions of financial market. They are two different types of function. One is intermediary, another one is financial. That under heading transfer of resource. Financial market facilitate the transfer of real economic resources from lender to ultimate borrowers. That means borrowers means kadanali. Okay, transfer of resource. Suppose if you have money means will be exchange of financial market. If you have land means you give the land and get the money. That is the transfer of resource. Next one, exchange income. Financial market allow lender earn interest and dividend on their surplus investable fund and thus contributing to the enhancement of individual and national income. Enhancing fund. That means financial market give allow to lender earn more dividend and interest. It is very helpful to increasing the national income. Third one, productive usage. Financial market allow for the productive use of fund borrowed and thus enhancing the income gross national product. Productive usage அப்படின்னா that means most of the fund will be used to produce. For example, gross national production, that is give more income to our national. Fourth one, capital formation. Financial markets provide a channel through which new saving flow to aid capital formation of a country. Financial market, one of the channel. What is that? Savings flow of capital formation. It's more help to savings of capital. Fifth one, price determination. It is allow for the determining of price for traded financial asset through the interaction of buyer and seller. Financial market is one of the intermediate for buyer and seller. For the reason getting trade to determine of price. What is the price will be affordable to buyer and seller, that is helpful to financial markets.